YouTube, what it do? We back at it again with another reaction video, bro. But today we got a goddamn drunk teen caught by police. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, bud. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you?
What's up?
So, I got a call from the manager over here. He said you're just causing some problems in front of the store.
Causing some problems in front of the store.
Some problems in front of the store?
Yeah, he said you think you've been drinking alcohol as well. Some Henny or...
Bro, being caught by the cops like this, bro. Imagine getting caught drinking out in public like this. They on your ass.
Walking back and forth,
Feel what
bro.
I'm saying? It's over
Yeah,
with.
no, I believe you. Hey, like, as right now, I don't see you causing no problems or nothing.
Hey. We just talking about I'm causing problems in the neighborhood.
Hey, I just got a call about it, all right? So I'm just trying to figure out, you know, like, the guy...
Hold on.
Yeah, hey, so the guy told
I
me...
want to know where this is at, though.
Problems over here, said you've been drinking. It sounds like you're slurring a
Little
little
man.
to me.
Oh, this is in Illinois. That's where I live at.
This
ain't the city I live in.
I don't see you causing
It's
any
like probably an hour or
problems.
two.
So what's going
Walking
on?
back and forth, talking on the phone.
I know, I believe you, man. You got no, I'm not, don't try to get defensive, nothing. But have you been drinking? Hey, dude, I smell, hey, man, I smell liquor on your breath.
There's no liquor.
Dude, come on.
I'm walking back and forth.
I know, I
talking
believe
on
you,
the
but I
phone.
smell the booze on your breath. This is my first rodeo, man.
Listen, there's
Hey,
nothing
you're
going
not,
on over here.
You're not breaking the law right
Hold
now.
on,
I'm just trying to, hey,
I'm gonna leave.
real
I'm
quick.
gonna leave.
Hey, let me, come here. Let's just
I'm
talk,
trying to get to the
right?
part where he start acting crazy or something.
Hey, come here, let's just talk, all right?
Cause this ain't finna be no regular video,
Hey,
my guy.
You got a,
I'm not gonna lie.
You got like a chef shirt on, right? You work around here?
Yeah, I work over there.
Where at Five Guys?
What you call it? Five.
This nigga is drunk.
Something over there.
Yeah, I know. And, all right, so I'm smelling the booze on your breath, dude. How? You're not 21, I can tell. So,
Hold on. What's up?
what's this?
That's not mine.
No? So the guy said you were drinking Remy. It wasn't Henny, it was Remy. So that's not yours.
That's not mine.
Okay. But you get how I don't believe you, because it smells
Bro,
like
cops
you've
are
been
not
drinking.
fucking stupid.
You found some Remy,
I'm not
which
gonna
the
lie
guy
to you.
said you were drinking, and now.
Cops are not stupid.
Okay. Hey, you
He
got
trying
an
to
idea
act
on
like he
your
about to get away with this shit and shit. He crazy. Copyright. Damn, that's crazy.
I know where that came from.
kid? Okay. Hey, do you got an idea on you?
Nah,
You got
know
another.
where that came from.
What's your name?
My name is Shane.
Shane. Shane.
Man.
Okay. What's your last name, Shane?
Kohler Davis.
Shane Colder Davis that your friend just told you to tell me. All right, here.
Bro,
This nigga fucking lame. You giving cops fake names,
I know
bro?
you just.
Don't get no cop no
mine.
goddamn fake
I
name.
know
Bro.
you
That's
told me that
stupid
already.
ass
That's
shit.
not mine, bro. Let me walk off.
But I don't believe you. All right.
Let me walk off.
How you getting home? I just want to make sure, dude.
I'm walking off.
Are you 21? I can't. Hey, if you're not 21, I can't let you walk off. Because now you're drunk. Now I've dealt with you.
I don't know what that
I can't
is,
let you
bro.
go.
I don't know what that is.
Hey, I can't let you go because if you're under 21, it's my responsibility to make sure you get home to a.
Don't be underage drinking, bro.
You could drink something else. You could have drank.
Uh-oh, he
I smell
walking
it on you. I deal
away.
with DUIs all the time. Hey,
He not free to go.
yeah, I'm gonna follow you because you. Hey, let's just go over here real quick.
You didn't even test me or nothing. You just gonna follow me because you assume.
Because I have a reasonable suspicion that you're drunk. That's why.
But you didn't test me. So
You're not free to leave,
stop
okay?
following me.
Hey, you're not free to leave right now.
Hey, no.
Hey, you're not free to leave. You gotta
Let me
identify
call.
yourself.
Let me call the real.
You gotta identify yourself.
Let me
okay?
call the real and.
What's your name?
Let me call the real. Hey, bro, what's the number, bro?
What's your name?
Bro, why you so close?
What is
Why
your
you
name
so?
we can
Why
get
are
home,
you so
okay?
close? Why are you so close?
What's your name?
Why are you so
Hey,
close?
Shane.
Bro, he
Shane, if that's your real
tweaking.
name,
He
let's
finna
just
crash
get an ID and I'll
out.
let you out
Why
of
are
here.
you so close?
What is your name?
Why are you so close?
You better back off.
Off me.
Hey,
What's your name?
back up.
Damn, he
Bro, get
tweaking.
your employee off me,
guys, come on.
stupid. Before I
What's your
spit in
name?
his
Let's
face.
go.
Hey,
Before I spit in
Bro.
your face, stupid.
Damn, he tweaking. He's tweaking.
hey,
Before I spit in your face,
hey,
stupid.
hey, you don't do that. You don't want to do that, buddy.
He tweaking.
Nah, cause
Imagine
he's
you, bro. I know them niggas that sitting down probably uncomfortable as a
Dude,
motherfucker,
hey,
bro.
hey,
Uh-oh.
hey, now you hit me. Now you hit me. All right. Hey,
Bro, these cops is way too chill,
This is
bro.
enough of this.
Hey, wait, wait.
hey, you see it, right?
Hey,
you see it, right?
Dude, you just hit me. You just hit me.
To get off of me.
Oh, okay, all right. Hey, stand right there. Hey,
Wow.
you're not free to leave. You're not free to leave.
Free to leave from
You're
what?
not free to leave.
Hey, you see, bro?
Hey, you gotta hang
Bro,
up your phone.
what you talking about?
Hang up your phone. Put your hands behind your back. Put your
Are you
hands behind
for
your
real?
back.
Wow.
Put your hands behind your back.
Wow.
He drunk as hell.
Wow, you's a bitch ass.
All right.
He drunk as a motherfucker, bro. This is actually so funny, bro. Cause he's
My
busting.
mom's calling me and you talking about.
I believe it. You didn't answer. You didn't give me any information to go
Bro,
by.
they keep
Who I
testing my
gotta give
phone.
you information for?
Because.
I gotta give you information for.
Hey, stop.
Who are you?
I'm not yelling at
Who
you.
are you?
I'm not yelling at you. Please stop yelling at me, all right?
Bro, who are you to lock
have
me
to-
up for what?
I have to get
Hey, you
information
see
from
it,
you.
right? I ain't do nothing, right? Right. You see,
Nah.
you see.
I'm putting this phone back into your pocket, all
Yeah,
right?
put it back in my pocket, you faggot.
Damn.
Faggot ass.
Hey,
Bitch ass.
Gotta relax.
you got it.
You arrested me for?
You're not arresting you.
Okay?
He buzzing.
You swung at me when I tried to calm you down.
I swung at you.
You pushed my arm out of the way while I
I
tried to
swung
calm you
at
down.
you when
You
pushing.
did. You pushed my arm out of the way. All right.
Wow. I
Dude, do you
swung
have
at
an
you
ID?
when pushing.
Do you have an ID on you?
Wow. You're the
Do you have an ID?
you and your wife.
Damn.
Come on.
All right. Talk
He
about
just
swinging
spit
at
on
you.
this
I'm trying to
nigga.
touch you off my wife.
Hey.
Bitch ass.
He just
Swinging at
spit on this nigga.
Dude, come on.
All right. Talking about swinging at you.
All right.
I'm trying to touch you off my wife.
Hey.
Bitch ass.
Hey.
You.
Dude, I'm trying
And they be wondering why white folks look at us like this, bro.
You didn't have nothing to do with
And they wonder why white folks be,
talking about?
feel what I'm
what?
saying? Cause he acting crazy.
Alright.
And he been drinking.
All right, was I causing problems? No, right?
He needs.
Wow.
Listen.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Say what
Okay,
you
go
need to say, bro.
Listen.
Listen.
I didn't do nothing. I talk about. Hey, all right, say what I want.
I know, and that's what I'm trying to. All I'm trying to do is figure out.
Listen.
Why am I handcuffed? Why am I handcuffed?
Hey,
then?
man.
Cause why am I handcuffed? Then?
That's a question.
Yes.
you gotta ask him.
Please. Can you guys take him home?
Ask him. Right now. Ask him. Take him home. No.
Yeah, he
Ask him
tweaking.
Right now. How do you know when you gonna get your answer? Right now. Ask him. Right now. Ask him.
What is your name?
Bro, imagine actually being in this position.
You gotta tell
That's
us
what
your
we're trying
name.
to do.
You put
This
me
is
in handcuffs
wicked,
for
my
nothing,
nigga.
right?
Listen.
I ain't gonna stunt to
you
you.
Do you need to take me home for?
Clearly intoxicated.
All right, whatever.
You smell like alcohol. You're acting erratic. You're slurring your words.
What does that have to do with you? What does that have to do with you?
Everything.
He
Okay? I need to know how old you are.
What does that have to do with you?
I need to know how old you
What does that have to do with you?
Relax. Relax.
No,
Put him in the car. Put him in the car.
We're done with her.
because you're a faggot too. You're a faggot too. I hope your mom fuck you in your sleep.
damn. This nigga crazy as hell. He just spit in the cop's face, bro.
Hey, stop.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, spit that loogie on your face, bitch ass.
Damn.
Do you have any weapons on you?
And they tweaking not putting a spit mask on this nigga, bro.
What are you
Cause
reaching for?
when you spit on a cop like that, bro, they put a goddamn spit mask on you, like this little net, this spit net. They put a spit net over you. They should have been did that shit. These cops is retarded.
Worth nothing but a look.
I would have killed that nigga for spit on
Search
me.
my left
Folks.
side, you fucking bitch.
Why he keeps spitting?
Dude, you're making this fucking harder. You really.
Bro, I don't got nothing on me.
Jesus Christ.
Relax.
Relax, dude.
Relax.
Hey, man.
Relax. Relax.
So yeah, that's why you need 2 men. All right, put him in the car. I hope y'all tell him what I did, right?
Grab the Remy. This is all your property, okay? It's in the bag.
These cops are so like professional, bro.
You are not gonna bang your head against the window, okay?
I want you to know.
Crazy.
Hey, no. I want you to know. I want you to know you don't have no power outside this law.
That's great.
You don't have no power outside this law. You don't have no power outside this law. You don't have no. You need 2 people and a woman.
This nigga crazy. Bro, I ain't never seen no shit like this before. Oh, hell no.
You think God gonna get you? It's all right. God is not even up there. He's right here.
309, that also comes back as an expired.
Do not fight him.
Stolen
Do not.
license, stolen license plate.
Forget it. Hey, forget it.
They need to punch that nigga in his
Let
face.
me call Solvay, see if we can
You didn't even lock me up for nothing.
without
That's the
getting him in.
crazy part.
Did he bite you? You all right?
Did you get the Remy?
No, I didn't grab. Could you go grab it?
And the female officer decent as hell too.
Over there.
Oh shit.
Next to that cup. He's 18.
I usually skip this part. It's probably a porn video. I ain't gonna lie. Her look decent.
He's 18.
Will Met. How far Will Met from me? Will Met is only 35 minutes away from me. What the fuck? That's right here. Holy shit.
And you think you just so white, full of power, right?
He said I'll shoot you in your fucking throat.
Legs out. Hey, man.
He's a. You know your mother,
what
your
up?
wife.
Dude, legs.
You think y'all strong? Y'all think y'all strong?
He spit in this nigga's face like 7 times, bro.
Hey, dude, easy. Stop spitting. Hey, can we get a spit mask?
I got one.
Right, that's what I'm talking about. Get this fucking dumbass nigga a spit mask. This stupid ass.
He's a white bitch. White bitch never went through nothing. You too. Y'all too.
Damn. He making us look bad than the motherfucker.
Stop it.
I'll kill you.
Set him down.
You think you something?
Bro, this nigga is real life crazy, bro.
You think you something?
This is why I like reacting to cop videos, bro. This is real life. This is real life body cam footage, bro. In a city near me. This is a city near me. 35 minutes away from me. Holy fuck.
Control him.
Control me. You's a bro. I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah. Soft.
You only doing this because I don't even have a weapon on me, bro. What the f is wrong?
All right,
Y'all are a bunch
you got
of
a key?
Really?
I got his arms.
Relax. That's not what you want to do.
That's not what you want to do, nigga. I'll shoot the fuck out of you.
Already?
Hold on.
These cops are so goddamn patient.
You got any earrings?
It had been, if it was anybody else, bro.
Dude.
Bro, I remember I saw a cop punch a nigga in his face and spitting on him.
Who you are?
Shit crazy.
Okay. All right. Hold on.
Shit, I'll do the same thing. I'll get suspended. I'm the type of nigga, bro. If I'm a cop, you spit on me like that, bro, I'm punching you in your fucking face. I don't give a fuck about that suspension. I ain't gonna lie, you need that. That boy need a clean upper
Give me this arm.
cut to the mouth.
Roll him towards me.
Oh, man, we don't want to hurt your shoulders,
Yeah.
dude.
Here we go.
Put your hands behind your back.
Relax.
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 All right, roll him toward me.
All right, ready?
Yep.
To the butt.
2, 3, butt. All right. Watch your feet.
Stand up. Stand up.
All right, we're gonna just carry it. Okay. I got feet. Got 'em?
Bro, you know how big y'all are? Have to do 3 guards for y'all?
Number one.
Number 1.
Sit down.
So you finna sit me in a cell? Where y'all at, weak? Like y'all at weak?
No, this is a fat dude.
One's out.
Strap me
doing
down
it
to
to
the bed.
himself.
Strap me down to the bed like you told.
Have fun.
Charged with felony aggravated battery to an officer ×3 and misdemeanor,
Damn.
resisting, obstructing an officer.
Wow. If y'all enjoyed that, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be posting more reactions to pretty much whatever y'all want or whatever I want. It doesn't matter. Cop videos, random shit, this, that. I got y'all. I'm just here to push out the content for y'all and just grow my channel and become bigger and get more exposure, because that's what I'm really trying to aim for, is to get more exposure. Because I'm not trying to only get exposure for what I'm doing on YouTube. It's more so like what I'm doing in real life, bro. Like, I real life be putting in work on my body, be trading. I taught others how to trade. You know what I'm saying? Made a community, brought others together. So I wanted to get recognition and exposure for that when it comes to, you know what I'm saying, entrepreneurship. But this is the end of the video. I will see you guys later. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you do not like, comment, and subscribe, I will find where you live and I will come in your house. And I'm going to do something to you. Yeah, you don't want that, do you? I didn't think so. So, otherwise, subscribe. Please. Anyway, that's the end of it. See y'all later. Yay!